Tired of expensive laundry detergents that don't deliver? Today, we're diving into a budget-friendly powerhouse that promises sparkling clean clothes and lasts ages. Get ready to revolutionize your laundry routine. We're featuring the Arm & Hammer Powder Laundry Detergent in Crisp Clean, an impressive 18-pound pail. This isn't just any detergent, it's a staple for busy households and smart shoppers. With a stellar 4.7-star rating from nearly 10,000 reviews, it's clearly a crowd favorite. This powerful formula tackles tough stains and dirt effectively. It's specially designed to clean gently, helping keep your clothes looking bright and new. A unique ingredient even traps dirt in the wash water for a truly clean rinse. The massive 18-pound pail offers incredible longevity, making it a fantastic bulk purchase. Many users report it lasting for months, even a year for smaller families. This means fewer trips to the store and more savings in your pocket. Customers consistently praise its cleaning power, fresh scent, and excellent value. It effectively removes odors and stains, leaving clothes fresh. While most love it, a few mention a white film on dark clothes or skin sensitivity. To avoid any residue, especially with cold water, dissolve the powder in a little warm water first. For best results, add the detergent to the machine before your clothes. This ensures even distribution and maximum cleaning power. The Arm & Hammer Powder Detergent offers a powerful, economical solution for your laundry needs. If you're ready to save money and get brilliantly clean clothes, check out this product on Amazon. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more cleaning tips, and share your favorite laundry hacks in the comments below.